Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, she's coming.
Oh, Anna's coming. Oh, Brad's coming. Wow, I'm so excited. I want to see Anna. Wow. Here, she's coming. Wow. Toysline, Toysline, Toysline. Are you ready, Anna? Yes, I am. Let's go. Wow, Anna looks so beautiful, right, Leslie? She looks so pretty, right? Wow, she looks so beautiful. And now, you are husband and wife. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Elsa. Congratulations! 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 Thank you, everyone!
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hi everyone! Welcome to Toysline Bridal Boutique. Come in! Perfect. Great. Good. Everything is good. Welcome, come in. Hello, hi. Barbie, I think this one will look good on you. You should try it on. Oh wow, and Jasmine, you should try this one. It will look good on you. Wow, that looks good on you. I will bring some jewelry and you can wear it with that. Oh. Nice. And how about shoes? Oh yes, please. I bring some you. Here you have. Wow, you look so pretty. Wow, I love this dress on you. I'm gonna bring some jewelry so you can wear it with that. I'll be right back. Let's see. This one and these earrings. Oh, and that one. Here. Wow, you look so beautiful. Wow, I like this dress. And I'm gonna bring your shoes. I'll be right back. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Thank you very much. Welcome. Hi. What may I help you? Hi. Yes, I'm looking for a gift for my friend. Anything that would you recommend? Yes, we have. We have some jewelry as well, tiaras, and over here we have some necklace, purse, and shoes. I see. Oh. May I try the tiara? Sure. Oh wow! I like this tiara. I'm gonna get it for me. Oh right, I forgot my friend's present. As well, I'm gonna get the purse and the shoes. Can you please wrap them up? Yes, I can. Just one moment, please. Everything is ready. Thank you very much for shopping. Have a nice day. Bye. Finally, the wedding cake arrived. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. It looks so yummy.